13. Okay. ABCD are point on the circle. AB is parallel to DC, and angle ACD is 32. Okay, chord AC and DB intersect at E. Find value of X. Okay. If we extend this, okay, use the property of parallel line. Okay, this should be 32. Okay. And then circle theorem, it will give you these two should be the same, and these two should be the same. So X should equal to 180 minus 32 minus 32. You should get 116. This combination of parallel line, if you have two parallel lines, if this is 32, which is here, this one should be 32, which is here. And then property of circle theorem. Okay, if this is 32, which is here, this will be 32. Okay, give you here. Same goes to this and this. We use the same theorem. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.